I'm curious what it, oh my gosh. 7 pairs. What can you do on that?
About 25 bucks.
Sounds fair to me.
That's a win.
Man, these prices are so tempting because the profit is there. Literally $399 plus shipping. This is awesome. What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado, and this is my beautiful wife, Haley. Today we are back at our local flea market. We got the snag 'em wagon ready to be filled up with super cool items to flip for a profit on eBay. Let's get it. So before we get started, I want to tell you that at the first couple booths we go to, there's going to be a good amount of background noise. I tried to make it as quiet as possible, but it was just really loud. There was like a generator or something off to the side, and then a couple minutes into the video, this guy behind me literally starts cranking up a chainsaw. I don't know why everybody was being so loud today, but bear with me, it's only like the first 2 or 3 tables. Ping TSI Titanium. That's a good one. John Daly, Top Flight.
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's up, man? What's your clubs?
Which one are you looking at?
Looking at these two. Oh, now I'm gonna have to buy that one.
No, you're good.
It's wet, slipped up.
On that one, I do 10 on the ping.
5 and 10. Okay.
If you buddy, man, just do 10. Wait,
No,
make sure you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, buddy.
Thanks,
Appreciate
man.
it, Hey, man, he flavors on you, man.
How much are these? 10. 10? Okay, those are cool. These 10? Yeah. Okay, I'll do 20 for this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I turned my camera off when that guy started cranking up his chainsaw, and I forgot to turn it back on before we went to this next booth. This lady had a ton of shoes, maybe like 60 or 70 pairs. They were in boxes on the ground, on the table, on her trailer, and we were just going through to see which ones we wanted. She originally said she would take $1 per shoe if we got everything, but there were a lot of lower end, like, shoes that just weren't worth anything. So we didn't do that. We went through and picked up, I think, 7 pairs from her. And so that's when I realized that I didn't have the camera on, and then I turned the camera on from here. So just a little explanation of how we got here.
Okay, I think that's it. So we got 1, 2, well, 3, 4 from that one, 5, 6, 7. 7 pairs. What can you do on that?
About 25 bucks.
Sounds fair to me.
Is that good?
That's good. Are you the lady we bought the cameras from
Yes.
last week? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And I didn't even bring them all. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you. We appreciate it. Are you going to start coming out here often now?
I usually come out here quite a bit. I just
Okay.
haven't been I clean houses and my business is like took off.
Oh yeah.
I'm
like,
turning people away too because I'm like, I can't take no more.
yeah.
I can't
It's a good
take-
problem to have.
It is,
That's the Chick-fil-A problem. That's what I call it.
Exactly.
Their only problem is what to do with all these customers.
I know it.
That's right. Well, we appreciate the deal. We'll definitely keep buying from you.
So 25 bucks for all 7 pairs of shoes was a crazy deal. Probably the best shoe deal that we've ever gotten at this flea market. We've actually already sold one of the pairs of Birkenstocks on Poshmark for 40 bucks plus shipping. We still have, I think, 2 Birkenstock like flip-flop style shoes. We got 2 pairs of Ugg boots. We got those Keds that look like baseballs. I thought those were super cool. So for 25 bucks, I think we could probably have about $150 to $175 worth of profit after fees, shipping, and cost of goods. So definitely a great stop at the shoe table.
I think this is the guy that we bought the Babe Ruth posters from.
Guess what? You look at it, you'll see.
I'm curious what it, oh my gosh.
I guess you can get it though.
Yeah.
I guess you can. They ain't got the holes there.
Yeah. So when you buy a new bowling ball, they don't have holes in them because they want to, if you want to customize it. So this is ready to be customized SpongeBob ball.
Exactly. See, a lot of people don't understand that.
That's right. 2002.
They like.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's different. I tell them, I said, no, it might be for a child,
Yeah.
and that way you gonna mold it to their
That's
to their
right.
hand.
How much you asking for it?
That's 20.
Say I gotta have it for 20. That's cool.
And then you got the bag too.
Yeah. There you go.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you know, and you know SpongeBob, don't you?
Yeah. See, I grew up on SpongeBob's. This is nostalgic.
I hadn't even Googled to see where this was. It may be worth stuff, I don't know.
Maybe.
My mom, this stuff belongs
It's
to
worth
my
at least
mom.
$20 to me.
Nursing home, so I'm gonna make some money for her.
That's right. That's
Treat her with
right.
a dinner today.
There you go. Thank you, man. We appreciate it.
I don't. That's too new. I mean, it's a great film. I saw
Oh,
it.
it does? I thought I bought all your Babe Ruth posters last time, but I guess I didn't.
There was one, the Babe, right here, but it's $5.
Yeah. I mean, a couple weeks ago, I bought like all of these that you had.
You want all of them?
No, we still have plenty.
Yeah, so to say, if you want all of them, you don't want to know how many I have.
Oh man,
All right, 4, 5,
these are cool.
6, 7, 8. Put a rubber band around them because it's easier to
See, these are
leave the rubber band on them. You
Much
know that.
better movie posters than we got from that guy.
Yeah.
And some brand new Crocs here. Those are my style. With my little toes peeping out the side.
Yeah.
So as we were walking, I decided to look up some quick comps on that SpongeBob bowling ball just to see if I made a mistake, but it's not. There's 20 sold in the last 90 days, which I think is crazy. I mean, there's a best offer on 60, 75 bucks just for the ball plus shipping, 99 plus shipping right there. That's crazy. I thought it'd be worth like maybe 30 or 40 bucks, but looks like it was a really good buy after all. I mean, a couple lower sold comps, but that could just be people not understanding the market. So good buy. That's cool. Yashigi. How you doing? How much is this?
$10.
$10?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a chance on that. That's pretty cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's pretty cool. It looks like a Raleigh Flex. I mean, it's not, but it looks like one. So maybe it functions the same. Look at that vise. Oh my gosh. That is the biggest vise I've ever seen. How much do you think that thing weighs? That's cool too. I gotta know the story behind this vise. I've never seen one that big.
They come bigger, man.
They come bigger?
Yeah, well, I found that out from being out here.
Yeah.
I got one.
Oh, of course,
Good for
everybody's
you,
gonna tell you that.
man.
That's nothing compared to mine.
Right. You know, I mean, I know they do make it bigger.
Yeah.
I just can't imagine.
I've
how
never,
much bigger, you know?
I've never seen one out here. You know, outside of some
Well,
industrial factory or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. I knew a fellow from the Navy Yard in Charleston. He worked out there, and he said he's got 4 of them.
Yeah,
About 6 inches longer, about 3 inches taller. And, you know,
that's really cool.
I know. And I mean, geez, you got to get a tow truck to carry it home.
Yeah.
That's a $1,200 to $2,000 vise.
Oh yeah, I bet.
I'm telling people $375 out here, and they like, psh, man, you got a leak. And if you're real interested, it ain't got to be $375.
Yeah. I'm just like, we sell stuff on eBay, so I know the profits there. I mean, we could get we could get $1,000 for it all.
And
It's
you know,
just
I paid less than that.
yeah.
Now shipping is another story.
Ship it. That's what I'm worried
I
about.
saw one on the internet. Shipping was more than the vise was
Yeah.
for sale for. Yeah.
See, luckily it's really heavy, but it's not that big. You know, it'll fit in a really thick box. You know.
Yeah, yeah.
But again,
something.
Do you have any idea how much it weighs?
Come on around and mess with it some more, man. But go ahead.
Let's see.
What do you think?
Yeah,
You're
it's
young enough to have strength and all. You got, you're built.
probably, I don't know. You want to come lift it? I'd say it's like 70 pounds.
I've never known a girl that has a thing like that.
She
that'd be
works out.
valuable.
She works out every single morning. I'm talking about
she ain't ugly. I mean, she's in
strength
good shape.
training.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, sure.
She's probably stronger than I am.
It's possible in certain
How
ways.
much is this one?
That one's 100. That's a win.
Man, these
The
prices
Chinese
are
will,
so
but it's
tempting because the
I know.
profit is there.
And I can still make money on it.
All right, my wife said that we can't do it.
Okay, no hard feelings.
But your prices are really good. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll get lucky. I always do.
Yeah, somebody will buy it. Those are usually fast sellers.
Yeah.
But if you list it on Facebook Marketplace, somebody will come up and come buy it.
I'm not that smart.
You can figure it out. How much is your American Girl doll?
She's 5.
5? Yeah. Maybe 5 on that. Does his nose light up or something?
I don't know. I don't think so. Let's see if he's got.
He's got. It feels like he's got a button in his
Does
ear,
it?
but.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Oh yeah, okay. So he's got a little battery
Maybe,
back there.
yeah.
Okay. I'm getting the Rudolph and the American Girl.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
What are you asking for the Switch?
200.
You have any games with it?
It's just a system.
Just a system. It's not bad.
Cool.
It's $100 cheaper than retail. But there's no games, so. Any hokas? Maybe? There might be some. No? Dang. How much are these? How much? 35? That's not bad. 18 pre-owned. 70, 60, 78. How does that have an authenticity guarantee at $78? It's 100.
I've seen like high top bands like this.
Yeah. These are 13. What are these? Everything 35. I think these would be good. These are simple, but they're men's size 13, which is good.
Oh, the Skechers golf shoes are like great.
Oh, those are golf shoes?
Yeah, they're Skechers though.
Yeah, the Skechers are good for golf shoes. They're just not good for anything else. They're very, very comfortable golf shoes. Chill on these. The Skechers golf shoes. Yeah, Skechers. How much? 35. So could you do, is there a way you could do 60 for these and the Skechers? Okay, okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. See you next week.
So at this lady's table, we picked up the Nike shoes and the Skechers golf shoes for 60 bucks. I'm sure a lot of you are probably wondering why I passed on those Jordans, and there was just a few things that didn't quite look right about them, and sole comps really weren't that great. I mean, there were some as low as like 40 to 50, some as high as 100 in used condition, but I just wasn't super confident in those. Maybe if I would have asked her if she would have done better. I mean, she took off $5 for the Skechers and the Nikes, so maybe she would have done 30 on those as well. But I didn't want to get involved in it. I've had bad luck with Nikes and Jordans and all that stuff at the flea market in the past, so now I kind of stick to the shoes that aren't very likely to be faked. Like, nobody's going to fake a pair of Skechers golf shoes. And Skechers, I don't think there's a lot of value in normal Skechers, but I'm telling you, as a golfer, Skechers makes a very, very comfortable golf shoe, and they sell all the time, even in used condition. So I think we're going to get about $45 to $50 for the Skechers plus shipping, and then those Nike running shoes that are men's size 13, they're in literally like new condition, like no wear to those at all. I think we can probably get about $65 to $75 for those. We have them both cross-posted on eBay and Poshmark, so hopefully one of those or both of them eventually will sell pretty quickly.
Hey, you guys got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
For a reseller?
Yeah, Hairytornado. Check it out.
See? Hairytornado. I will check it out. Check it out.
You'll be on the next video.
Hey, what's that? That's what type of video? What you do? What type of content?
This, we just record like flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales.
You put them on eBay?
Yeah. Yep.
Check it out.
That's pretty cool.
I'm the Santana family.
Santana. Shout out Santana family. All right.
Okay, 20 bucks.
20. How much is this? 20 bucks for both? I can't say no to that. There you go. I appreciate you. As always. These baseball shoes are freaking awesome. I'm gonna look this up real fast. What? Oh my gosh, look at this.
What?
There's one with a big case that sold for $470. 200 bucks, 195. Yashica Matte 124G. $649. 360 bucks. This is crazy. I just bought this because it looked kind of like a Raleigh Flex camera, which I've always known to be on the lookout for, but I've never found one. And this Yashica Matte 124G, I have no idea how to test it, no idea if it works. All we have is this unit itself, but I mean, sold comps are crazy. I need to do a lot more research on this and see, but I mean, $400. Yashica Matte 124G medium format TLR film camera, literally $399 plus shipping. This is awesome.
So there you have it, guys. It was another successful Saturday morning sourcing at our local flea market. All in all, we spent $180 on everything we got in today's video, and I think we should see a total profit after all fees, shipping, and cost of goods of between $600 and $800. It really depends on that camera. Like, if that camera works and we can prove it, then it should be a pretty easy sale at $350 to $400 based on sold comps. If it doesn't work, it's still going to be worth it for us. It's still going to be a huge profit because we only spent $10 on it. So all in all, it was a fantastic day at our local flea market, and we have a ton of potential profit here. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you can take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below, we greatly appreciate it. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.